taking the airbag. Oh, what is it? God damn it. Taking the airbag because I'm not gonna use this. We don't use airbags. We'll break our chest to the dash. That's what we do. I can even make a, oh man, I can even make a bracket probably if I want to in there and use it for something else. All right, I might deploy this one just for fun. I'm gonna leave this box and all that. I want the AC, man. I decided to remove the blower and AC heater core, whatever. I'm removing all that. I don't need that. I wanted to keep it because I know it's gonna get hot and I needed some cool air, but I'm taking it off. Taking all this coolant right here so I can take all those hoses in here. Good thing because this harness is so tight now. I'm gonna have a little bit more room. Little by little, man, little by little. There's a bunch of cable, but we are almost there. Now I took out that bar, the dash bar, unable to take these out. I had to take that bar. So no airbags, no AC, no nothing. The cables now I'm gonna put it against the firewall, same with the ECU and all that stuff. So it should be looking better now. All right, here we are, super hot again. We got the cables from the inside part. I did some stuff in here. Let me show you guys. It's a mess, but this is how it's gonna be looking. So I added the passenger side lights. I still need to test it. This is one of the grounds. I need to put it in here. The other ground is this one right here. I got the plugs, I got the fuse box. There's a lot of zip ties in there. Just making sure it doesn't fall. I got this cable. This is a positive. This is a positive from the starter. I got to put these two together, and then from here the battery cable will go all the way to the back. ECU, it's in here. I need to put some bolts. I'm just trying to make sure that the passenger won't mess with this cable, so that's where I put the ECU. Still need to make some adjustment. This cable is really long. I gotta cut it, and then I need to do the driver's side. I still have all the lights in here, hasn't been extended, and I need to make a hole on the firewall because the only hole going towards the front, it goes through the fender, so it goes out and then outside right next to the tire and then inside again, and it's a mess. I don't like it, so I'm gonna make a hole, and I need to I'm using these, but I need to cover these holes. So yeah, we are maybe halfway now. I'm kind of curious. I forgot what or where this goes. I don't think this goes in here, or maybe it does. I need to check my videos. I need to go back and see where it's at. Since this been days after days after days, there has been some stuff that I forgot, so that's why I try to label everything. But I don't know where. I don't know if that's a positive or if it's a ground. I don't think it's a ground, but again, I'm not 100% sure, so I need to check that. I don't want to mess my wiring or burn something out, so I'm gonna check the video, see what's up. Right now I'm taking out, I took out the heater core, so I don't know if I need to make a U in here or something, maybe, or put a cap. I think that water needs to recycle. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do some research. The cable of the starter is behind there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Again, I need to seal this hole, I need to seal this hole, I need to seal this hole, I need to seal that hole down there, and I'm gonna leave only this one open. Now the cables, these cables right here for the lights, they are gonna run down to the frame and then all the way here, all the way to the front, and then it will come out this way and go to the headlight. I was thinking I probably was able to make it where it goes through there, but I don't feel like making holes and whatnot, so I mean, it's okay. I just put those cables out because of me cutting this part right here. It's not like I want to do like a SEMA wireless car, right? So it's okay. I'm gonna have a line in there. I'm gonna have another line going in here of cables. Now I need to take those two wraps. That's the last two. I hate that thing, man. That fiber fiberglass is horrible. But yeah, this is loose cable. I gotta probably take out this filter, maybe not, but anyways, the other cable's gonna go through here and here, and then to the headlight. Now, like I was saying, this is the only hole from the inner side, so this is not much from here to here, but I don't want that. And then I want to cover this with something so water can get in, and then eventually cover this. But yeah, I'm on the process that I'm about to cut it. Even if I'm halfway done, I'm about to start cutting. I need to take the filter. I need to see where I'm gonna put that filter, probably somewhere in here. Cutting that, it looks clean. It's not the best, but it looks pretty damn clean to me. Now I'm gonna sand a little bit of this. I don't have another disc. I'm gonna try this sand disc just to like fix those edges, but so far it looks good. Now I think I cut a little bit too much, but I'm not planning on fixing this anytime soon. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Once I start running into issues like, I don't know, maybe gravel or dirt getting into the belt and breaking the belt and whatnot, then I will consider on making like a plate a little bit bigger on this side, because the tire does not touch these, but like maybe like in the front, this part right here that was here, which is this part was where the tire was hitting a little bit in here, not much. If I make another plate, it will work, but for now just gonna leave it like that. So that's good. And then I left a little bit in here so I can put the cable really close to it and then go from there. So I think hopefully I didn't cut much where these start splitting. I think it's gonna start splitting eventually, so I'll see what I do in there. Maybe weld it once I have my welder. Little taps in here, because it looks, yeah, probably I cut too much where the metal is not like it's just right next to each other, but it's not holding between both, so maybe it's gonna start coming apart. So I will do some welding in here later on. For now, it's just gonna leave it like that, not a big deal. Hopefully the car lasts. So the other side. This one is not as clean as the one on the passenger side, but it is pretty damn good. If you're trying to do a clean ass job like I did, go to yomismo.com and you will find out how to do an excellent job just like the one we did. To the next one.